Welcome to Sports and Fitness Foods. Quinoa is not a cereal grain, but it is treated as a cereal. It is full of high protein and fiber when compared to other cereals. It is best to be taken as a post-workout meal because it has all 9 essential amino acids, making it a high-quality protein. As protein is very important for muscle growth, repair, and recovery after your workout. Today, I want to share a healthy and high protein and fiber rich quinoa dosa. You can have this for post workout breakfast or for dinner. So, without wasting time, let's dive into the recipe. Into a mixing bowl, take 1 cup of quinoa, 1/3 cup of urad dal, 1/4 cup of horse gram, 1/4 cup of moong dal, 1/4 cup masoor dal and 1 teaspoon of methi seeds. Add some water into it. Rinse the quinoa and the dals thoroughly and drain the water. Now add the required water again and soak it for at least 6 hours. After 6 hours, see that dals and quinoa are well soaked. Then drain the water, add this to mixer jar and then add 1 small beetroot, 1 small carrot pieces, 3 green chilies slit, 1 inch ginger, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon salt and 1 small onion. Close the lid and grind into a smooth batter. Cover it and ferment it overnight. The next morning, see the batter is nicely fermented. Mix it once with a ladle. And then add 1 tablespoon jeera and mix well again. Now add the required amount of water and make the batter into a pouring consistency. Now grease the pan with oil and heat it. Pour a ladle full of batter into it and make dosas. Take it into a serving plate. Now, our healthy protein and fiber rich quinoa dosa is ready to serve. Here, I am serving it with coconut chutney. The recipe of this coconut chutney will be coming soon. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like it, share this to your friends and also subscribe this channel for more tasty, healthy and quick fitness recipes. Meet you in the next video.